How to create a product template with CustomCat. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create a product template in CustomCat. This feature is a huge time saver, allowing you to skip the product selection and details steps when adding products to your store. With templates, you can pre-format product listings with saved settings such as colors, sizes, titles, pricing, descriptions, tags, and more. Once your template is set up, you can jump straight to applying designs in bulk and exporting products directly to your store. To begin, click on Create Product in the left navigation menu. From there, click Use Advanced Tools. Then select Bulk Product Creation and choose the store for which you want to create the export template. Once you've selected your store, it's time to choose the products you want to include in your template. For this tutorial, let's say you're selecting an 11 ounces and a 15 ounces white mug. After choosing your products, click Next Step to proceed. Now it's time to add your designs and customize the product details. Start by uploading your designs to the products. Once your designs are added, click into each product to edit the details like product colors, sizes, titles, pricing, descriptions, and tags. This step allows you to customize each product to match your brand. If you'd like to group products together in your template, you can do so by selecting the products you want to group. From the Actions menu, choose Group. Then name your group and adjust the product title, description, and tags as needed. Grouping products can be helpful if you want to organize similar items under one template. Next, save your export template. To do this, click the star icon on each product you want to save to your template. Once selected, the star will be highlighted. When you're ready, click Next Step. Keep in mind that in order to save your product template, you must export the products. You'll notice that the products you've saved to your template will have a check mark next to Create Product Template. If you forgot to include a product, you can click the checkbox now to add it. Before exporting, click the gearbox icon to review and ensure your export settings are properly configured. Once everything looks good, click Export All to save the products to your template. After the export is complete, a new template will appear in your list, labeled with the date and time of the export. You can view and edit the template by clicking Add More Products and selecting Advanced Tools, followed by Product Templates. Alternatively, you can go to Create Product in the left navigation at any time to access your templates. That's it. You've successfully created an export template for your store in CustomCat. Now you can quickly add products to your store with pre-configured settings. For more tutorials, FAQs, tips, and tricks, visit CustomCat.com.